Subscribe to our channel for more unknown facts videos. Potato is a vegetable obtained from the roots of a plant. Solanum tuberosum belongs to the Solanaceae family. There are around 4,000 different types of potatoes. Potato plants are usually pollinated by insects, such as bumblebees. Potato plants grow about 60 centimeters high, depending on variety, fruiting, and tuber formation. Potato is about 80% water and 20% solids. If you like the video, click the subscribe button, and click the bell button for notification. Potato is 99.9% fat-free and contains vitamins B6, C, E, K, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. Potato is the fourth most important food crop in the world, after wheat, corn, and rice. Potato boost heart health, improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, and maintain fluid balance. Potatoes are used to create different types of alcoholic drinks, like vodka. Over a billion people eat at least one potato each day. Thanks for watching. Don't miss to subscribe our channel for more fact videos.